it's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I tried finger coils. So if you like what you see, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Now that that's done, let go. Hey y'all, so it is the next day and I did start on my hair. I decided to do finger coils. I'm not sure what it's looking like back there because I can't see. I tried my best with parting, but yeah, I decided to do finger coils because when I asked you guys like way back then, what did you guys want to see as a protective style? I gave you mini twists and I also gave you finger coils. Most of the vote won for mini twists, and today is the day that I am doing the video for finger coils. So like I said, for the ones who did vote for finger coils, I got you, and that's happening today. So another reason why I did the back off camera was because I wanted to like get the hang of things so I can know what I'm doing, so I won't be coming on camera like looking crazy because I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, I just got this rat tail comb and I am parting my hair in the straightest line as possible. So yeah, last time I saw y'all, I had 8 plaits in my head. That was during my wash day video. By the way, if you haven't seen that video, please be sure to check it out. And only thing I put in my hair was that Mahdeo Organics avocado hair milk and just plaited up my hair. So I'm just spritzing my hair with some water just to activate that that product that I put in my hair lastly. And then it's also good to have water on your hair just to add some extra moisture. And I found it easier when I added water to my hair to do the finger coil. So I part my hair and I'm just gonna start in the back, give myself a nice part. I've been doing sections like about either this big or maybe a little bit bigger, but yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I will just clip that off to the side and detangle it with my tangle teaser. And then I'm going in with this Eco Styler black castor oil and flaxseed oil gel. And I'm just taking that and running it down the shaft of my hair. And then I'm going back in with my brush and brushing that section out just to make sure that is smooth and sleek. Make sure there aren't any tangles before I coil it up. And then I just start wrapping it around my finger. Hopefully that was a really good description because I'm not really good at describing things. But yeah, if that wasn't a good description, just look at what I'm doing with my hands. I'm just wrapping the hair around my finger and just letting it coil up. So it should look like this. And I just keep doing that until I get it to how I like it. And then once when I get it to how I like it, I go to the root and twist it so that way it could be a little bit tight, and then wrap it down again some more and add a little bit gel just so my hands can glide through, you know. And then as you guys saw when I turned around, I had some clips and bobby pins in my hair, and that's just to keep the roots of my hair twisted tight so they won't come down. so they can dry. And I got that idea from another YouTuber. Her YouTube name is TheChicNatural. She actually did this, and that's what inspired me to do my hair this way. So yeah, shout out to her for her tutorial. And I'm just gonna do the same thing on my hair and let you guys watch. And that's just that. Alright y'all, so I slowed this part down so you guys can see what I'm doing as far as wrapping the hair around my hand, so you can get a better understanding of what I was saying. Y'all, this hairstyle is super easy to do. It does take forever to do, but it is well worth it. But it is great for starting your lock journey. I'm not starting a lock journey. I'm just doing this for a protective style. But if I do decide to get locks like in the future, then I'll know how I'll look with them because I tried finger coils and I'll be cute, you know? And if you made it this far and you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Also, go to the comment section right now and comment #HeyBoo so I know that you're still here rocking with your girl, okay? Period. As you can see, I was so excited because I am down to the last two. This hairstyle took me 5 hours. Yes, 5 hours. Let's talk about patience, okay? so I am finally done with the last one, just finishing up, and then I'm going to tuck that into a clip, and then I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Let's talk about shrinkage, okay honey, because the shrinkage is so real, but that's okay because I'm about to stretch them with these scrunchies. So I am taking a section of hair and wrapping it into a ponytail, but I'm not wrapping it as if it was a ponytail. I am moving the scrunchie downward. I hope that makes sense. You'll see that with the next scrunchie. Wrapping my hair with my satin scarf, and I am going to bed, and I will show you guys the final look the next day, which will be in like 0.2 seconds for you guys. Hey, so it's the next day and I just did my everyday makeup look. If you guys would like to know how I do that, I'll definitely link it up above for you guys. But I'm about to slay these edges with this edge booster from Style Factor in the scent Blueberry. It smells so good. So I'm just brushing my edges down with that edge brush, and then I'm going to apply the edge gel and then swoop, swoop, swoop. That the edges are laid and slayed, let's take these scrunchies out, okay? Alright y'all, so this is the final look, and this turned out super cute. I just ended up flipping my hair over to the side because I wasn't feeling the middle part, but the curly ends is just the icing on the cake. It just gives me this boho chic look, if you know what I mean. Like, this style is super cute. I think I found my new favorite protective style, and the 5 hours was well worth it. But anyways, if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, like smash that like button right now. Also comment down below what you think of this style. Have you tried finger coils? If you're thinking about trying finger coils, let's chat, sis, okay? And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, sis, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.